If you want to stay in business long term, you've got to understand how the next generation shops. So today we invited two representatives of Generation Alpha to give you insight of what you have to do with your online store to stay in business. And stay until the end because the last part will absolutely blow your mind.
Today we've got two special guests.
Luca.
Alida.
Who are special guests who are experts in the way Generation Alpha shop and browse online.
So guys, what have you bought online recently?
I've bought makeup products
Makeup, okay. And how did you buy it?
on my computer.
Okay, so how old are you, Alina?
I am 9.
You're 9, okay. And so when you go and buy products online, is it like, do you get budget from your parents or like how do you do that?
I get budgets from my parents.
How much?
Normally $50.
$50! Okay, and then you would spend it in one day or like?
Sometimes in one day, but mostly like a month.
And so then how did you buy it? Did you add it to cart yourself?
I added to cart and then I went to pay.
And then you went to pay. And did you type in the credit card number yourself?
Yes.
Oh, did you?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. All right, Luca, how about you? When you search on Google, how do you do that? When you get the results, do you scroll top to bottom or right to left?
Left or right?
Okay, and is your preference to read about the product or to look at the pictures?
Look at the pictures, because then if I'm interested, then I'll read.
Oh, interesting. All right, guys, now next question. What is a thing that you really, really, really want to buy next? We go first to Luca.
New pair of sandals.
Sambers, what are Sambers?
The Adidas shoes.
Adidas shoes,
Yeah.
okay. So Adidas shoes, it's a type of Adidas shoes called Sambers.
Yeah.
Yeah? And you want to really get them.
Yeah.
How much are they?
Full price now, 180.
180.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoes there. My last pair lasted me for more than a year.
Okay. And where are you planning to buy them from?
Adidas.
Directly from Adidas.
Yes.
Okay. Have you been looking at them online already?
Yes.
All right. And have you been adding them to cart already?
Yeah, just to set a goal.
Okay. So what happens when you add to cart?
When I add the cart, I just look at how much it is. I then go through to the pay part and see what the postage fees will be. And then I just leave it there and wait till I got enough money to buy them.
Okay. All right. What do you really want to buy?
Bubble skincare.
Bubble skincare?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a brand called Bubble and they sell like lip balm, moisturizer and stuff like that
Okay. And what do you need it for?
for my face.
But do you not have a moisturizer already?
Oh no, I need a new one for my face.
Why do you need a new one?
Because I'm running out.
You're running out? How often does a 9-year-old girl use a moisturizer?
I use it every morning and night.
Okay. Now, can you please tell us how did you come across this brand that you really, really want to buy, the Bubble Skincare?
Well, first, I've seen it everywhere on the internet.
Everywhere on the internet? Tell us more.
Yeah, where did you see it?
Where did you see it?
I've seen it like whenever I go on YouTube.
Okay.
And a lot of my friends at school have them,
Uh-huh.
and I see like a lot of people talking about them.
Uh-huh. And where else, when you say all over internet, like have you ever seen it on your mom's social media?
Yeah, sometimes I actually do.
Yeah? Do you guys go on to your parents' social media?
No, I have to ask Mum.
And you do that? What social media do you go on to under your mom's name?
I go into Facebook or Instagram.
Really? And what do you look at?
Stuff that's for sale.
Stuff that's for sale?
Yeah.
How do you do that on Instagram and Facebook?
Go to Marketplace.
You go to Marketplace, interesting. And like, what is one thing that you like looking at in Marketplace?
Tops and shoes.
Tops and shoes for sale on Marketplace.
And sometimes jewelry.
Sometimes jewelry, interesting. And do you ever click on ads inside Marketplace?
Ads.
Yeah, like you get an advertisement. Do you know what is the difference between advertisement or not?
No.
No. Okay, you just click on whatever you like.
Yeah.
Whatever you see, you click it.
Love it.
Marketer's dream.
Yeah, marketer's dream. Okay, how about you, Luca?
Do you know if something's an ad or if it's
Oh yeah, I tell if it's an ad.
How do you know if it's an ad?
Ad written in the top corner of it in small little letters. When you click on it, it'll take you to a link.
And do you like clicking on ads?
No,
Why not?
They're boring.
They're boring?
unless it's a good one. Normally they're a waste of screen space.
Okay, what do you think is a good one?
Something we like.
Like, for example, what is entertaining? When you said ad is boring, what is a non-boring
Like,
post?
for example, one of your friends on there.
Okay, so if one of your friends is on social media, her holding a product, then that's entertaining. But if it's just product on its own, it's not entertaining. Am I understanding this correctly? Interesting. Okay, so if you were to share with us, like, what do you find entertaining on YouTube and online? Yeah, Luca, what do you...
Shorts.
Shorts. Okay, tell us more about what shorts you watch.
Just whatever comes up. And
Really?
if I don't like it, I scroll through it. And if I like it, I watch it.
Okay, and when you like and watch it, how often do you watch it? Like, how many times?
As long as times it takes my brain to process it.
Okay, does it mean sometimes you watch it 3 times?
Yep.
Okay,
Sometimes it's really funny, so I'll just watch it over and over again.
nice. And how do you watch YouTube? On your phone or computer?
Both.
Both.
Yep.
Okay, so a question, you are 9, you are 11.
Yep.
Have you guys got phones yet?
Yes.
When did you get your phones?
Early this year.
A few months ago.
Few months ago. Okay,
Actually, a lot of months ago.
a lot of months ago, few months ago. Do you guys have an Apple Watch too?
Yes.
I did, but my tire smashed mine.
Your younger brother smashed yours.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do? When do you use your computer? When do you use your phone? And when do you use your Apple Watch?
Alright, so I use my computer when I have a lot of time. And I use my phone when I don't have much time to do something and I need a quick answer.
Uh-huh.
And I use my watch when I don't have my phone on me or I can't get to it quickly.
Okay, and would you say how often do you shop online versus in store? Like, and when I mean shopping online, even just browsing and thinking about what you're gonna get.
Shopping online.
Shopping online is much more than shopping in store?
Yes.
Yeah?
Definitely. Shopping.
Percentage-wise, because Elena might not...
99.9 to
99.9%.
0.1, yeah.
So 99.9% you shop online over in store.
Yeah, because I really have to go to store.
You hardly ever go to store.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us more about, like, how often does this shopping occur in your life?
Pretty much every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us, what do you browse on a daily basis?
Just deals on things that I like. Normally my browser shows me it looks at what I searched at and uses a criteria of what I like and shows me deals on what I find interesting.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just look at those and click on the links I find interesting.
Mm-hmm. And then it shows you more of those.
Yeah.
And you're totally fine with the device showing you more of what you already like.
Yeah.
So you know that that's how it's made and you're totally fine with that.
Yeah.
Great. Do you ever get sick of shopping online? No? What's your favorite thing about shopping online?
Well, you don't know if they were going to have it in store. And you can find stuff you like.
Uh-huh.
And you know how much it is.
You know how much it is. How often do you shop online? Even just like browse, look through
Every
things?
Every day.
You do every day too?
Yeah.
Okay, and what do you look for every day?
Stuff I need or I like.
Okay, like, what do you need? What does a 9-year-old need?
I need
Cause like
clothes.
clothes, but
Do you have clothes?
do you have clothes?
Yeah, but not ones that fit me anymore.
Okay. Now guys, if you like could give one tip to a brand for the future, how you would become a customer for life, what do you think the brand would need to do for you to become a customer for life?
Sell sincerely yours.
Sorry?
Sell sincerely yours. It's a skincare that has it nowhere in Australia now. So they have to make more.
You think all they have to do is make more
Yeah.
and come to Australia?
Yeah.
And if they came to Australia, you would become a customer for life,
Yes.
just for them to come to Australia.
Yes.
What is this brand again?
Sincerely yours.
Sincerely yours. And how do you know that you would love it if you've never tried it because it's not even in Australia?
They've got good stuff, so they've got, it's like a pack. It's sunscreen, cleanser, spray, and moisturizer.
And how do you know about this brand if they are not even in Australia?
I see it on YouTube.
Oh, you see it on YouTube. And how do you see it on YouTube?
What Salishman videos?
How do you spell it?
Salish?
Salish?
Yes.
Salish Matters.
Yes.
And that's a YouTube channel.
Yes.
And she talks about the skincare
She does like fun stuff.
with the skincare.
Well, she does skincare stuff and other challenges.
Okay, she does also other challenges.
Yeah.
But she also talks about this Sincerely Your skincare
Well, for some videos, yes.
for some videos. And that's what made you fall in love with that brand.
Yes.
And if that brand came to Australia, you would be a customer for life
Yes.
because you've seen it from Salish Matters videos.
Yes.
That is incredible.
Yeah.
Influencer.
That is absolutely incredible. And do you know that she's getting paid to show the skincare in her videos?
She owns the company. So
Yeah, she owns it.
Oh, she owns the company. How old is this girl?
16.
Yeah, I think
16. Okay, she owns the company. So you are okay with the fact that she would earn money from you becoming a lifetime customer?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't mind giving her all the money because you love her stuff online?
Yeah.
Amazing. All right.
Yeah.
So last question, guys. How many hours a day do you spend on an electronic device?
Max 2 hours a day.
Okay. How about you? How many hours do you spend on online devices per day?
Normally 6.
6 hours. Is there one last thing that you want to guys say about online shopping?
It's good.
It's good, people.
Yeah, it's really good. Some sales you can only get online instead of in store, which is also quite good. Some things you can only buy online instead of in store as well, so that can be really good too.
Awesome.
Great. Well, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us. We'll
See you
see
in the next video.
time.
Let's go.
See ya.